Good morning, students. Today we're doing multiplication again. As you can see, I have our Walt, Tib and our Wilf on the board. Walt is what we are learning to multiply by single and double digits. This is because to be aware, we need to be aware that we need to be able to calculate with and without digital technologies. And what I'm looking for is a vertical format setting out and correct calculation. I have two examples on the board here. The first one is a single digit multiplication and the second one is a double digit. We'll do our first one. As you can see, a vertical format is have our numbers set out one of the under the other. And of course, like my other lessons, I put my sign on that side, on the right hand side, to remind me which side I'm starting. 158 multiplied by 4. Remembering from your last multiplication lesson, it's 4 lots of 8, 4 lots of 50 and 4 lots of 100. This is how we do it. We say 4 multiplied by 8, I know that's 32. I put my 2 down and I have to regroup in my tens house with my 3. 4 lots of 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. Regroup again, cross the other one out. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. That's our answer there. With our double digit, we're multiplying 43 times 25. What we need to do first, and what I find is a help, is if I cover this number that I'm not using, I can multiply just like I did before. So 5 times 3 is 15. Put my 5 down, regroup my 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. I'm done with this 5 now, so I'm just going to cover it up and swap it over. I will change this to help you to blue so that I can change the colour. I now have, the 2 is in the tens house, so I'm multiplying by 20. I need to put this 0 down into the ones house so that I'm multiplying the tens. And then I multiply just like this one. 2 groups of 3, or 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. What I need to do now is I need to add these together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 8 plus 2 is 10. That's my answer. The other thing that I just want to quickly show you is, if I take away my magnet, 5 groups of 43, this one here, is on this line. If I now look at this as the 20, and I put a square around this one, 20 groups of 43 is here. 25 is down here. This number here, our answer is 25 groups of, because we've added our 5 times and our 20 times together. Okay, I have some examples on the board here, as you can see, A to J. They start off fairly easy with single digit multiplication and they progress as we get down. And here I start doing the double digit. The last one, year 6, is a challenge for you. And this work needs to be submitted today. So can you fill this out, copy these down, and hand it in with your booklet tonight? Parents, everyone has done this. It's not new to them. So the example, you should be able to help them. Have a great day learning. Love yous.
Pause the screen now to copy down these questions into your book. Make sure you copy down the examples.